Hey, welcome to the Paige family homestead. I'm Peggy.
And I'm Andy.
A little slow on cue.
Nobody said I was quick.
Come on in. What we're doing today, we're dehydrating citrus. Holidays are coming. We all need that beautiful powder. So, come on in. So, as you can see, we have two projects on the go. We have our beet chips, beetroot chips, or beet powder. We're going to do both. And we have our orange slices, as well as making powder, again doing both. So, I want them to cook at the fruit temperature. Power on. I want 135, and I'm going to go for 6 hours. They say the beets go for 4, so, but they're cooking them at a higher temp. So, and I want the fruit to go at the fruit temp. I'm going to try 6 and I'll check them. And we're off. So the other day, if you follow us, thank you for your return visit. If you haven't been following us, we would appreciate it if you would subscribe. It helps us grow quickly. We're pushing for 4,000 subscribers right now. So what we're doing is we're dehydrating our citrus. Now normally people will just save their orange rinds to grind up for citrus. So normally people will just save their peel to make the citrus zest. I don't. I do the whole orange, and we dehydrate until crunchy, and then we grind up and we get a beautiful powder. Now typically I will do that before I have this product, and I didn't film me slicing. But and come on, like seriously, how hard is it to slice? We washed. And this is a lemon, by the way. I've already done my trays of orange with some other stuff I had running. And now I'm going to start my lemon peels. There's nothing, you can't buy the zest, first off, to taste this good. Oh, and by the way, when you slice them nice and thin, the seeds that may be in the fruit, they're going to come loose. You're going to be able to pop them out before you zing them in the grinder. So I like to slice them relatively the same size.
Take a bite.
This is making this smell is making my cheeks hurt. Big time. So this is what I do to slice, and then I just place them down, leaving space on the tray so that there's air circulation. Now these took about, I have to be honest, I've had 3 projects on the go. I'd say 6 to 8 hours, and I did let them go through fruit cycle, which is 135 degrees Fahrenheit. So this is what we wash the fruit, and then we slice it, and then we place it on the dehydrating trays. So we did that. Let me just get this out of the way here with a strong hand. Thank you.
All right.
There, making room. Poof! Look at that. Magic.
It's magic. Those lemons turn into oranges.
They're dehydrated. So I'm going to be taking these off the tray. My faithful old coffee grinder. I'm always afraid to praise it because it's so old. It's just going to die on me one day without notice. And I'll be sad because that was, what was it, $5 or $10? How many years ago?
I don't know. No idea. I can't remember yesterday, so
invaluable.
forget that.
Invaluable. But this powder, oh my gosh, we're going to use it in some pork sausage. It's a video coming up.
Yeah.
Andy's got his meat grinder out, and he's got the pork butt in the freezer chilling. So we're going to be doing that. But we need a little bit of this zest to go in with it. But for baking, for the pies and cakes, for Christmas coming up, and your Thanksgivings, ours is tomorrow. So, oh, I don't know if you can zoom in on this. If you can get in there. Look how fine this powder is. Look at that.
Wow.
And that's not just the rind. It's just not the peel. It's the whole
darn thing.
So we're gonna break this, and then I'll just speed through the zipping because you don't want to hear that. I'll put some nice soft music to it.
Nice, eh?
Yes.
Man, does it ever smell when you open it up?
Look at it all. We're going to have so much. It's going to be so much fun to use this.
Good.
Oh, even in a banana loaf. Put this powder in there.
Yeah.
Oh. Or on a nice
citrus
coffee cake. Just kind of sprinkle it over the top. Oh, man. This is going to be good.
The sky's the limit. That's the thing, eh?
Now, listen to this, guys.
Oh, nice. Snappy.
And you know, they're not just for powder. They're seriously good to crunch on. And look.
Munch on, you mean, yeah.
Oh, peel and all. Because look how thin that is. It's a nice treat. I like them. I like them. I don't like the peel when it's thick. But when it's thin,
Yeah, different, eh?
And I seen some on a tray at someone's house at Christmas. They had chocolates and cookies and stuff. And they had the perfect slices. Like this one's a little too thin or thick. But the perfect slices dipped in chocolate and set on parchment.
Wow. Oh, that'd be good.
Oh, they were. They were beautiful too.
Show me one.
Oh my.
Nice, eh?
Oh. So, I'm going to keep doing this. I'll bring you back when my 4 trays are done. So let's see how much we got. Guys, I can't, I know, I can't tell you how explosive it makes your foods and your treats taste. And, well, the other night, what was it, last night that we made the stir fry? Chicken stir fry. And it asked for just a little bit of zest, right? So I used fresh, but I could have used this if I had it. Now I have it. Chocolates, Christmas chocolates with a little bit of this in it. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, it makes it like that egg that they have that
no,
ball.
it's an orange. You crack the orange, yeah. And in the banana loaf, in any coffee cake, mixed into your buttercreams for a nice citrus flavored icing. I probably could have got it all in one jar. This is...
Really smell it.
I can't... You can smell it over there, can't you?
Yeah.
I cannot explain how strong and how beautifully flavored this is. It's just... I don't like being without it. So now we have our citrus for the season, Andy.
That's good. That's awesome.
Look at that. A full pint
Now, are you going to vacuum seal that, or?
I'm not going to.
Okay.
I'm actually going to
You're going to need some.
I'm going to be using it in the next few days. Our Thanksgiving is tomorrow.
Yep.
Also in puddings. Oh, like your imagination, again, is your limit. This is gold. Gold. So now that I have this, what I'm going to do is leave it open for a day, day and a half.
Yeah, let it dry out
Let
more.
it condition. It's going to reabsorb some of the humidity in the air. I'm going to check it to make sure it's still fine powder. If I need to, I'll put it out on parchment paper back into the dehydrator for a couple hours, all, you know, laid out.
Spread around, yeah.
I don't think I'm going to. It's pretty dry. It's pretty good. It's pretty fine. But I'm just going to follow protocol and just leave the jar open for a day or two. The reason I'm not going to vacuum pack it, it's October. All the baking happens soon.
Now, yeah, right.
So,
right after
and my
Thanksgiving,
orange zest cookies are like a shortbread with orange. Oh, like, just, you won't believe how much of a punch this packs. So, now that I have my orange, I'm going to leave this off. I'm going to carry on without you, and I'm going to do the same thing all over again. I want 4 trays. I want a full pint with my lemon.
Oh,
and
lemon zest.
This is used more than my orange. You know what? You know how I make a lemon meringue pie, and I always add the zest of this into my... We could even do an orange meringue pie.
That'd be neat.
Ooh. I love playing with food, guys. So this is going on next for us. You won't see the video of the lemon because it's exactly the same as the orange.
Same process,
yeah. But don't forget to save some orange rounds. I forgot. I like powdering. I'm gonna do up some more because I'm going to dip them in chocolate for our cookie treat trays as well.
Oh, that'll be nice.
Yeah. Will it ever? So this is for hashtag Let's Dehydrate. We do host, our channel does host that, it's not even a collaboration, it's a playlist. If you dehydrate, if you're a channel creator, you have a dehydrator, no matter what kind it is. Some people, you have the dehydrator sitting on their oven. Some people use the dehydrator sitting on their air fryer. There's all different kinds of makes and models of dehydrators. If you enjoy using it and you would enjoy making a video to show people, this is how I do it, this is why I do it, educate people on the importance of having that safety net with dehydrated foods. If that's your passion, then this playlist is for you. Just let me know that you have a video that you're putting in so I can search it, find it. I'm horrible with searches. I'm being honest. Make sure you hashtag Let's Dehydrate, all one word, in the title along with the title of your video and in the video description for easy finding, and then I can put it into the playlist. It's growing fast. Somebody's already got what you want to do in the playlist, so what? Maybe the way you do it will reach our viewers. Are you down here? Maybe the way you do it will reach our viewers and they'll be thankful to have been able to see your video all in one spot. All right, thanks. Give us the thumbs up. Remember to please share our videos on social media if you can. We're almost at 4,000 viewers.
Not far.
We're gobsmacked about it. Like, we still sit here and go, we don't know 4,000 people. Wow, people are watching. And it's, we're thrilled. If you wouldn't mind, please sharing the videos and help us race to that goal. We're also going to be doing a 4,000 shout out. We have a special sticker release surprise.
Up,
We had a little on one of the past videos, a little, you know, hurry up and get your sticker in here and you're going to have it in the center. And we got a winner. We have a few channels that have sent them in. One that I requested to please send it in. You'll see his stickers here. They just came in the mail as well. So that video is coming up this week, as well as Andy's homemade sausages, and we're going to be doing some rice flour, comparing 3 different ways to do it. We got lots going on this week. Happy Thanksgiving to all our Canadian viewers out there for tomorrow. hope you have a wonderful feast with friends and family. And if by yourself, make it a good one. Happy Thanksgiving. This chicken has imprinted on one of the turkeys, and no matter what we do, she finds a way to get in here. I don't know how she's getting in. Oh, look how big the turkeys are getting. They're growing fast, and that one chicken won't leave them alone.